Do it. Put me off. I dare you.
On video, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm showing this to your mom, and you're getting grounded for life. Life. Tanner, did you hear that? For what? Michaela, look at me. Oh, you're so. Why is it so orange? It's very orange when it records. I look very orange. Allie even looks orange. Look at the boot. Yeah, rocking it.
Are you taking a video?
Yeah, no.
I'm just pretending to hold this.
Look at Brody, old man Jenkins in his rocking chair. Tell us a story about the vet days.
Or not.
He's deaf, hard of hearing. Tell us the days about being a vet. Ah! Tell us a story, Papa.
Tell us a story.
Tell us something interesting.
Interesting.
Do the running thing.
What the hell's running?
Remember when you said you were on your first date or whatever, and then the girl was trotting along or whatever?
That was Grandma.
Grandma? Her cousin or something?
Remember that story?
Yeah, I don't remember saying anything about Grandma Trot.
No, not Grandma. You're like, her cousin came to the door or something?
And
Whatever! One more time.
yes,
She did what?
that's the way she
Let me
walks all the
see.
time. Yeah, oh yeah.
Hello, everybody. Goodbye. Goodbye, everybody. I'm going to go shopping today. And not the mall because Michaela wants to. So we're not going to go there. So she can cry.
I'm telling your mom.
Look at Mama's face.
That's a dirty little girl. You're staying home. Say bye. Tanner, say bye. Papa, say bye. Jay, say bye. Okay, Brody. Old man Jenkins. Alright.
Bye.
Good job, Allie. You're the only one.